viewer, how are you all? Today I bring for you another video. This video I show to how to engine oil change. Before video I show you how to engine oil check. Now this video I show you how to engine oil change. Now we are open it this crankcase bolt. This is 14 millimeter. You need to 14 millimeter wrench for open this bolt. I already open it and put out every oil. Now I tied this bolt. I put it inside water tap because there have a leak. I got a big problem for engine. Otherwise I put it water tap. I put new one oil. This is castor oil. This oil is 5000 kilometer. Can I run this oil? Another oil have 10,000, but now I put it 5,000 kilometer. Where I have to finish this 5,000 miles and then I change this oil. Okay guys, I finished oil change. If you like my video, please subscribe and then like and then press the bell icon.